We'll track the entire process, from raw beef to completely made hamburger sandwiches ready for shipping. Yes, the whole hamburger will be packed. Watch the video and you will understand. Let's get started. The first step in the process is to pick high-quality beef cuts. These pieces are inspected for color, marbling, and texture to ensure they satisfy high-quality requirements. The personnel thoroughly scrutinize the meat for signs of contamination or flaws. Once accepted, the meat is sliced into smaller parts to fit through the industrial grinders. Observe how the beef is ground twice. The initial grind results in a coarse texture, while the second run through the grinder produces a finer, more uniform consistency. This guarantees that the patties have a constant texture, which is important for both cooking and eating. Next, the ground meat is loaded into these massive mixers. They use a specific blend of flavor: salt, pepper, garlic powder, and binders, egg whites, or breadcrumbs. The mixers make sure that the contents are evenly dispersed throughout the meat. This procedure is critical to attaining the ideal flavor and texture in each bite. Now, look at these forming machines. They mold the beef mixture into exactly homogeneous patties, each calibrated to a specific weight and diameter. This uniformity is essential for even cooking later on. Next, the patties are sent through a conveyor system that cooks them on both sides. The temperature and cooking time are precisely controlled to guarantee that each patty is cooked perfectly. This step is critical to creating that great grilled flavor. After frying, the patties enter a cooling tunnel and are quickly cooled to preserve their texture and flavor. After cooling, they proceed directly to the blast freezer. This quick freezing procedure preserves freshness while preventing the production of big ice crystals. While the patties are being made, the buns arrive at the factory. These freshly made buns are supplied in bulk and thoroughly examined before being unloaded onto conveyors. You can see the buns moving through the slicing machinery. Each bun is properly split into top and bottom halves, ready for the next stage of construction. Here comes the assembly line. The buns and patties come together here, and cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, pickles, and sauces are added. Each hamburger is meticulously prepared to ensure every mouthful is flawless. After assembly, the hamburgers proceed to the packaging lines. They are individually wrapped to keep everything secure before being packaged in cartons or trays. This process is critical to preserving the sandwich's quality and freshness during transportation. Each packet is labeled with the following information: manufacture date, expiration date, nutritional statistics, and batch codes. This marking is required for traceability and compliance with food safety requirements. Once tagged, the packages are sent to cold storage, where they are stored at consistently low temperatures to preserve their quality. Finally, the packaged hamburgers are put into refrigerated trucks. Maintaining the cold chain during transit is critical for preventing thawing and spoiling. These trucks will carry hamburgers to merchants, restaurants, and other food service establishments. And there you have it, from raw beef to completely made hamburger sandwiches ready to package. It's fascinating to observe the meticulous attention to detail and severe quality control systems in place to ensure that our hamburgers are both delicious and safe. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to We All Makers for more behind-the-scenes looks at the world of manufacturing. Thank you for watching.